Hello girls and subscribers, I'm Simon and this is my new haircut. Happy Monday! Because Simon is apparently at my house, I'm recording his intro like a mouse. That was a bad rhyme, but it's all I have time for. If you follow me on Twitter, then you know that I couldn't make a video on Monday. And I have a good reason, maybe, but my good reason is this. My good reason is that the reason I couldn't make my video on actual Monday is because I was on a plane to America. Yep. And now I'm at Maddie's house. And it's amazing, and it looks... This white wall is just like the white wall in my house. It's epically amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so cool. It's like a frisbee that floats up. But yeah, this video is mostly to tell you that you shouldn't punish me, 'cause I am made of epically win. So have a swell Tuesday, and Madeline, I'll see you tomorrow. Less than 3. Whoa, Simon, buddy, what are you doing in my house? I mean, not that I'm not like super jazzed to see you, but this is kind of weird. I'm here apparently because where else would I be if I wasn't making a video? Also, this is an epically swell duck.